Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Okta to Google Workspace for secure logins, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section from the main menu. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Google Workspace. Select Google Workspace from the application list. Click on that Add button to proceed. You'll be directed to the Application Settings page. Under the General tab, fill in the required fields. You can customize the application label if desired. Scroll down to the Sign On tab. Click on Edit to modify the sign-on settings. For SAML settings, enter the required information from Google Workspace. In the single sign-on URL field, input the SSO URL provided by Google. For the audience URI, use the entity ID specified by Google Workspace. Leave the default settings for the rest of the fields unless you have specific requirements. Once entered, click Next to continue. You'll then access the feedback page, choose the relevant options. Click on Finish to finalize the application setup. Next, navigate to the Google Admin Console in a new tab. Sign in with your Google Workspace admin account. Go to Apps, then select Web and Mobile Apps. Click on Add App and select Add Custom SAML App. Enter a name for the application and upload your Okta logo if needed. Click Continue to move to the Service Provider Details section. Input the details sourced from the Okta SAML configuration. Enter the ACS URL and entity ID as required. Proceed by clicking Continue. Now configure the Attribute Mapping section. Map the attributes necessary for user identification. This usually includes first name, last name, and email. After mapping, click Finish to save the settings. Return to your Okta dashboard and assign the Google Workspace application to users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.